Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video, I have some more farmhouse Christmas DIYs. These turned out beautiful and they were so easy and inexpensive to make. I did use mostly Dollar Tree items. For this DIY, I will be using this Dollar Tree Decor sign. It almost looks like a shadow box. I'm going to start off by removing the plastic. I am going to use the front. So I will be painting this using my Waverly chalk paint in white. I did have to give this 2 coats of the white paint because of the black letters. Once it's nice and dry, I'm going to distress it using my Waverly antique wax. I just want this to look more rustic and old. The next items I will be using are some wood trees and this 69-cent Hobby Lobby paper, which I got when they were 4 for $1. I'm going to make a tree out of this paper, so I am going to use the cutout as a stencil to make one. By the way, these little trees are from the Dollar Tree wood truck. I removed those when I used mine and I saved those, so that's why I'm using these. But Dollar Tree is carrying the little the little Christmas trees cutouts that you can use instead. The next thing I will be doing is painting the wood trees using my Waverly chalk paint in mineral. This DIY was inspired by a mini ornament that I got from Walmart. I will insert a picture right now, but I fell in love with these little mini ornaments from Walmart. Now I'm going to glue them to the top part of my sign. I am going to be putting some sticker letters down at the bottom, but I wanted to put the trees first, so like that I can know where the stickers can go. And I am gluing one tree on each side, leaving a space in between them. That is where I am adding the other buffalo check paper right on top. So Dollar Tree carries so many different poster sticker letters you can use instead, but I am using these that I picked up from Walmart. I think they were under, I'm not sure, $2 or $3. Can't remember now, but they weren't that expensive. I am putting Christmas with these stickers. Now for the words tree and farm, I am using these Dollar Tree sticker letters. I will be drawing 2 lines, one on each side, and I use a permanent marker for this. To finish this off, I will be adding this buffalo check bow. I got this from Dollar General. 6 come in a pack for $1. And look how beautiful this sign looks. I will be inserting a picture of the mini ornament and this one side by side so you can see them. And that is it for this DIY. I absolutely love how this turned out. You can hang it from your wall or just use it standing up. My next DIY is so easy and simple to do. I will be recycling this wood box or cardboard box. It's actually a cardboard. And I'm going to paint the bottom, or like, I'm not going to paint the whole thing because I am going to be putting a ribbon in the middle. So I am only painting like maybe an inch on each side, just enough where I'm not covering with the ribbon. The next thing I will be using is this ribbon that I picked up from Dollar General. It was $2, and I am going to make a bow. To tie this bow together, I'm using this beautiful Christmas ribbon that I got from Walmart. It does say Merry Christmas around the whole ribbon. Now I'm going to wrap the box with some of this ribbon, and before I glue it, I am going to scrunch the center and tie it. Since I am doing this, I do have to paint more of the box because you are going to be able to see this. Now I'm using hot glue to glue it. I didn't want to use some floral foam inside this cardboard box. That's why I am adding a little bit, actually not a little bit, a lot of garland into this just so it can make it look more fuller. Then I am adding these beautiful Christmas Walmart picks that I picked up from Walmart, and they were 98 cents each. Dollar Tree also carries beautiful Christmas picks you can use instead. I thought I was just gonna place them in there, but it turned out I did have to remove the pine cone because they were too low, and in order for them to show, I did have to remove it, and all I did was just add them at the top, and this turned out beautiful. This is actually one of my favorite centerpieces I have done, and the best part is I can use this throughout winter. My next DIY is so easy and so simple to do. From Dollar Tree, I'm going to use 2 of the white candle holders. I don't remember if they were carrying the black ones, but if they were, you don't have to paint these. I am painting mine because I wanted them to be black, and I'm using my Waverly chalk paint in black. The other ones I do remember Dollar Tree was carrying that were in color black and white, or different candle holders. These other ones, I think they had them like in square and circle, and the top was flat. Unlike these, they have a little place where you can put a candle in there. But anyways, the next thing I will be doing is using another of the buffalo check bows. These are from Dollar Tree. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, these are from Dollar General, and I'm using the same pretty ribbon that I got from Walmart. I'm going to make a double bow using both of these. Since this bow is kind of big, I am going to make it shorter. The last thing I will be doing is just gluing the bow to the candle holder. And now you can decorate them however you like. You can use regular real candles or LED candles. Dollar Tree carries LED candles, but I am using these from Dollar General. These were from the fall, and I did get them after fall, so then I got them for half off, which were $1.50 each. And this completes this video. I absolutely love how these turned out. You gotta let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite one. I would love to know. Also, I have a part 2 coming up this Saturday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So don't forget to turn the notification bell button so you can get notified when I upload. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, bye.